Do you need to film yourself delivering your presentation, showing your presentation, and then having you on the screen as well? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to film your presentations using Canva. Okay, so first of all, when you're making your presentation in Canva, you can easily create a presentation. Let's ask for a presentation about making videos. There we go. Here's a presentation about creating videos in Canva. Just use this one. Customize this template, and then you can go in and customize it and say I want to record myself going through this presentation. Honestly, I'm not going to be using somebody else's template. I suggest actually going in and adjusting this for your purpose so that it is from you. Don't copyright. But for the purpose of this, because I'm not really showing you how to make the presentation, I'm just showing you how to record yourself with the presentation, and I just needed a quick presentation, that's why I use this one. So to record yourself giving this presentation, you want to go back to the beginning slide. Yeah, here we go. And then you're going to go to Share, and you're going to go to More, and you're going to go to Present and Record. If you don't see this in here, you can just type in Present and Record. So there we go. Now we're presenting and recording. So I have my camera turned off. I can put my camera on. You can see my camera is now on. I suggest adjusting your background. There we go, that's a little bit better. And then this will allow you to choose your camera. You can actually record on your phone if you want to have this camera on the side, but for this purpose of this, I'm just going to use the camera on my computer. And then you can also use a microphone. I suggest if it's really loud and you really need high quality to use a microphone. However, if you're just recording this quickly to share with somebody and you don't need it too professional, then you don't need to worry about any other microphone. Just make sure that the room that you're recording in is quiet enough so that there's no distracting noise. You also want to make sure that you have any light source in front of you. So I currently have my light source just up here. You can see when I cover my face, you can't see the light on my face, but it's in front of me. And so what that does is it creates a more even look on my face, and it's just going to look more presentable in my presentation. So then you can just go to start recording. It's going to count you down and then start giving your presentation. So introduce your topic. You can go through your presentation by pushing the arrow buttons forward. Talk about your slides, what you're going to be showing in your presentation. So find your topic, write a script, shoot each scene, edit your video. So just going through this and talking about it. And then once you're done, just press end, and it's going to put that all together for you. If you make a mistake, I suggest recording the whole thing and then cutting it out. Or if you don't want to have to worry about the extra added hassle of having to edit the video after, just if you make a mistake and you're not happy with it, just start recording again. And that will just give you enough practice that you'll get your presentation right. So don't worry, multiple takes are normal. And if it doesn't bother you if you make a mistake and you just keep going, just keep going. It depends on how professional you want this to look and who you're going to be sharing it with. So once this is done, you can either just share this recording link. So you can send this link to anybody and they're able to view that presentation, or you can download it. And by downloading it, that's going to allow you to later edit it and get rid of any mistakes, or to upload it to YouTube. This is a great way to record a video and then upload it later. And the thing that I love about this, it doesn't just have to be a presentation size. And let's resize this so that it's vertical. There we go, copy and resize. So if I want to make this into a reel and I want to include all these things into it, then I can record a video that is also vertical by having my canvas here in Canva be vertical. So when I present, I'm just going to go back here to More, Present and Record, and then record my presentation, have everything set. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.